Hey, when the world is up, this is Zarkman checking in, come to you with another food review. At nandito tayo ngayon, nagbabalik ulit sa Ramen Nagi dahil meron silang bagong produkto. Kung ano yun, tune into the video to find out more. Okay mga kalamon, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Ramen Nagi Green Belt. Yeah, we're going to try yung Halloween, yung limited edition nila na Halloween Kings. So, from the creative minds that brought you Ramen Nagi noodles comes two new flavors. So, ang itatry natin ngayon ay ang Black Tsukemen, which is, sa mga hindi nakakalam, Tsukemen is dipped ramen. So, nangyayari is, hiniwalay nila yung noodles versus the rich broth. So, nakaserve siya on the side. So, the fun part about it is, you take some of the noodles, you put it in the broth, you dip it, tapos pinakain mo, you slurp. I've had my fair share dito dati ng Tsukemen. It's actually one of the best Tsukemen na try ko. As in, siguro dahil kasi yun din yung first time na nakatry ako ng Tsukemen, tapos ganun kagad yung quality. So, very caliente. Muy caliente. Very good. Yeah. Nag-Mexican, no? Pero we're in a Japanese institution. Ganun talaga. We appreciate food. So para sa mga gustong i-try din to, kung sakali, ang kailangan nyo na piliin ay Limited King, tapos ilagay nyo is either yung ramen curry or yung Tsukemen. Black Tsukemen. Yeah. So, i-modify nila yon per chef's recommendation, and then your part na lang, kailangan mong gawin is to enjoy the food pag dumating na dito. Which is, I'm going to do. Excited na nga ako dahil sinamoy ka na yung noodles niluto sa kitchen. Sheesh! Okay mga kalamon, so nandito na ang ramen. Look at that thing. Wow, it's beautiful. Ganda niya. Si broth naman, hindi ko siya mataas ng todo dahil kasi baka tumapon. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng POV shot. Okay mga kalamon, let's break down this bad boy. So magsimula naman na tayo with the bowl of noodles. So the bowl of noodles includes onion leeks, black tsukemen noodles, tamago or the egg, at saka fire sauce for a little bit of heat. At para naman dun sa broth, we got rich soup, we got bits of chashu, and we got some black sauce. Yung black sauce hata dito may konting bahid ng squiding dahil kasi it smells a bit like squid. Kasi yung overtaking na aromatic flavor niya, it's squiding eh. Yeah. Very distinct, very rich, very deep flavor. Okay mga kalaman, so let's try to break it in na muna. Try na muna natin kumuha ng noodles, tapos dip natin sa soup, and then before that, try na muna natin yung broth as is. Para sa inyo mga kalaman. Interesting. So it has that rich, savory broth, tapos yung squid ink actually gives it a dark, rich, medyo sweet kind of flavor na it cuts through the richness. Interesting. Tapos meron akong nakuha na bits of chashu nandun sa loob, nandun sa ilalim actually ng broth. Okay, interesting. Okay, try naman natin siyang i-dip mga kalamon dun sa broth, sa soup. Ito tayo na konti. Lagyan natin ng konting broth. The proper way to eat this. Wow! I like how yung black noodles, yung squid ink noodles actually goes well with the broth. Akala mo parang may something na mag-add na flavor dun sa noodles eh. Edited because it has black color. Interesting. It's firm. It's firm. It's a bit on the firm side. Tapos, yung fire sauce niya, hindi ganun kadami. So, kung mababa lang din yung spice tolerance mo, kaya mo siyang tolerate. It's good. It's good. Okay. Sa pambite, mga kalaman. Dipalit natin. That is good. Once you dip it here, and you dip. Mas maganda yung technique mo. It's much more efficient. Kamusta?
Tasty.
Good, di ba? Yan, tapos konting chashu. Yan. So, kuha pa ng mga ano, kuha pa ng broth. Siyempre, hindi makakompleto yung kain natin kung walang crunchy flavor, crunchy factor. So, kumuha tayo ng karaage. Your choice kung karaage, gyoza, or pork katsu lang kukunin mo dito. We went with karaage dahil kasi chimkin is life. Wow! Panalo. Kasi perfect combination every time. Haluan mo ng konting cabbage at saka yung sauce. Panalo. Sabi nga nila in Japan, if you will love your food, slurp. I thoroughly enjoyed the food. Okay mga kalaman, so that has been one successful na food review. So kung sakali man, it's available right now at all Ramen Nagi branches nationwide. And kung sakali man na meron kayong sarili nyo opinion, may mga sarili kayong thoughts about it, if there's anything I missed, please do comment down below. I would love to hear from you. At kung sakali man, you're entitled to your own opinion, as do mine. At again, these views are only for myself. And the rule natin dito is to at least try the food once. Right, so that being said, I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Follow me on my socials, nakalagay lang siya sa baba. And I'm going to catch you on the next food review. Do me a favor, seek fulfillment to what you do.